Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix no audio output device is installed. Error in Windows. If you notice the red icon on the sound icon located at the lower right of your screen, this is a problem because it means that your computer will not be able to play any sound. And if you move your cursor to the icon, it will display an error message that states no audio output device is installed. Not being able to play any sound on your computer can be a frustrating experience, but lucky for you, we've got you covered. For today's video, we will go through several troubleshooting solutions that you can do to fix this issue. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First solution, update audio driver. One of the possible reasons why this error message appears is because of a corrupt or outdated audio drivers. Therefore, to fix this, make sure you have the latest and updated audio drivers. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open Runbox. At Runbox, type dev mgmt.msc and press Enter at Device Manager. Click Audio Inputs and Outputs to expand it. Right-click on your audio driver and then click Update Driver from the drop-down menu. Select Search automatically for drivers. Once best drivers are already installed, click Close to exit, then check if issue is resolved. If not, proceed to the next solution. Second solution, run Audio Troubleshooter, utilizing Windows. Built-in Troubleshooter is a helpful tool in identifying sound problems on your computer and suggests fixes if there are any. To do this, press Windows key. Then select Settings. Next, click Update and Security. Next, click Troubleshoot at left pane. Then, at right pane, click Additional Troubleshooters, click Playing Audio. Next, click Run the Troubleshooter tab. Select which audio device you want to troubleshoot, then click Next. Then click Open Enhancements. Wait for troubleshooting process to complete. After running Troubleshooter, check if issue is resolved. If not, proceed to the next solution. Third solution, set audio device as default. It is also possible that error message appears if the hardware and/or audio device is not set as the default device. To fix this issue, make sure to change audio device and set it as default. To do this, right-click on the speaker icon located at the lower right, then click Sounds. Then at Playback tab, right-click on your desired audio device and make sure it is enabled. Then click the audio device again and then select Set as Default. Click Apply to apply changes made. Click OK to confirm and exit. Check if issue is resolved. And that's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.